Now, students, this is a theorem for related to the angle subtended by an arc of a circle. So now here we given the theorem: angle in the same segment of a circle are the equal. If you have given the same segment, this is a PQ, and make a angle both make a angle will be are equal. So first you have to draw a circle with center point O, and PQ is a chord of a circle with center point O, and the which divides the circle into two segments. This is minor segment and this is called the major segment. So now in two segments, and the angle PAQ. Here angle PAQ and the angle PCQ are the angles of the same segment, because the same segment will be PQ. PQ will be same for make this angle. So now to prove, angle PAQ is equal to the angle PCQ. PAQ is equal to the PCQ. Both in these angle will be make a same. So now first construction, join the OP. Join OP and the OQ. OP and the OQ will be joined. So now prove, here the minor are PQ. PQ is a minor arc. This is a minor arc subtended by the angle POQ at the center, and the angle PAQ at a point A on the remaining part of the circle. Remaining part of the circle. So then you have already know the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point the remaining part of the circle. So POQ, angle POQ equal to the double of PAQ. So this is the equation 1. Now similarly you can write down POQ is equal to the twice of angle PCQ. PCQ. This is equation 2. So now from equation 1 and 2, so we get twice of angle PAQ is equal to twice of angle PCQ. 2 cancel. So now angle PAQ is equal to the angle PCQ. It means the both angle PAQ equal to the angle PCQ. Both angle will be are equal for the making the angle same line segment PQ. Say or chord. PQ is a chord, so same chord. So you can hence prove angle in the same segment of a circle. These are the equal. So hence proved.